Hello, YouTube world. Thank you for stopping by again. So this is the part three of the overview of Weebly website builder, and this is going to be my favorite part of the overview section. And this is going to be using the mobile app Weebly builder. So as I mentioned before, no other website builder allows you to build in their app. I did try Wix, as you can see right there. Uh, they only allow you to post a blog or have a post, do post for the blogs. You can't build. You can't build on the actual app. So on my right side here, I'm actually in the help center, so I can show you how to get here. Um, so remember when I showed you the last time, there was if you're in the front page and the home page of Weebly, the top there's going to be websites, a couple other sections, and the last thing on the toolbar, on the top toolbar there, is going to say more. Click on more, and at the bottom there's going to be something that says help. Click on help, and it's going to take you to the help center. And I just looked up Weebly mobile apps, and I put the iOS section there because I do have a iPhone. So iPhone, behind the times here, I'm iPhone 6, so I can't implement augmented reality on my device, unfortunately. Uh, I am going to upgrade here soon because I do want to develop a couple apps for that, just for fun. I'm a hobbyist at heart here. So let's go ahead and let's take a look. Let's go ahead and take a look at the website builder, and as you can see, it's the same thing you've seen there, same exact thing. Okay, so it's me. It's me. Let's go ahead and log in. If you don't have the app, download it in the App Store, or if you have an Android, download it in the Google Store. And I'll provide some links there at the bottom so you can download the app for the Weebly app. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is one of the sites that I tried on the actual app. I'm not gonna go through that. We're gonna go through one right here, right now. There are some differences when you're using the mobile app as opposed to the desktop application, and I'm gonna go through that as well. So let's go ahead and start here. All right. So we did an online store the other day. We did a business store. We did a business website on the Weebly site, on the Weebly tutorial. Excuse me. Portfolio, personal events. Okay, blog. Let's try blog. Let's try the blog. Let's view themes. All right. All right. Let's see. Theme. Discovery guide. I like that picture in Discovery guide. Let's go ahead and choose that. It's creating the site for us. And now it's taking me into the actual builder. And this is the site that we get here. So we get the background image. Get a couple things here. As you can see, it says drag elements here. I'm going to hit the hamburger menu. Those are the three lines at the top left there. That's called hamburger menu. I'm not sure if that's the... It's just a menu. It's an icon menu. Hamburger menu. It looks like a hamburger. So let's go ahead and select who we are. It's blank. You have to drag elements there. Get in touch. It's blank. Let's drag elements in there. What about blog? Okay, and blog is that home page there. So let me show you the difference. What I mean before we get into the mobile app. Go ahead and add the site here on my site. I'm not gonna sell online. It's just gonna be a blog for now. Hit the blog button or blog selection category. There's the same one, Unbound theme, Discovery Guide. Selecting that. Okay, I'm gonna start editing. So I'm choosing this. It's creating the site for me. Okay, and it's asking for a domain again. Mobile app, compare. Mobile app, mobile compare. All right. Okay, and here we go. So you see the difference there? So the drag, it has drag elements there. It doesn't have the ultimate discovery guide. So let's go to who we are. Right. So who we are has the actual who we are title, and here there's a little paragraph. Choose this thing to customize. On the app, it doesn't have that. It doesn't have that there. So we have to drag and drop that. And get in touch, the same thing applies. It has a title and the paragraph here. It doesn't have that. So let's just at least get it up to speed to what the actual web app, the desktop app, has for us. So that's text. The ultimate discovery guide is text. So you hit build, that plus button right there. You saw that? Plus, build, and then title. So I'm going to select it, drag. So it's called drag and drop. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put the ultimate. That looks like that's aligned in the center there. Okay, if you want to see how I did that, it's the A. So it's the one closest to done. The A with the 3 lines there. Select that. And that is your sizing. And at the very bottom, that's your alignment, your text alignment. Okay, so much fun. I was actually at the zoo the other day, and I was playing around with the web builder here. It was fun. I was having a blast, and when I was waiting for my significant other to go to change my daughter's diapers. That's the fun part, huh? About it all. I was able to build a site like that, and especially with the pre-made templates, it was quick. It's fun. So you can do this anywhere on the go. I don't recommend doing it while you're driving, though. I do think that's illegal. Okay, and then you can, of course, increase the size, decrease the size of the text. It's not doing that for some reason. How about the color? At least change the color for me. There we go. Yeah, I don't like that gray. There you go. It's not the recommended. I think that white is the best option for that. Let me change this. There we go. There we go. Okay, so just play around with it. There's the advanced color settings. If you want saturation, the amount of brightness. Okay, that all comes into play. So you can have a very unique color palette here. So many variations of color that you can have on your font or in your palette. I think the recommended is to have 2 or 3 colors for any of your templates, any of your designs, anything, even logos. The recommended is 2 or 3 colors. I have seen 4 colors, and they pulled it off pretty good. I want to say Google is 4 colors. If I'm not mistaken, Google is 4 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So see, Google's 4 colors, but not everybody's Google. Okay, not everybody can pull off the 4 color palette there. But if you can find some color palettes that complement each other, that look good with each other, go for it. Go for it. I'll see why not. But the recommended is 2 to 3 for your color palette, for your color scheme of the theme. So I'm just gonna stick with what they have here. So that's the white. I already did that. The ultimate. Okay. Let's drag and drop another one underneath there. We could probably just use the same one if we wanted, actually. Just hit enter. Enter. There we go. Discovery. But you can tell that it's actually it's separate. It's not the same text box on the website. If you're looking at the website builder here, you can see. Yep. Look, see. 2 different text boxes. I'm just gonna keep it at this one. Let's see. And you see how the font size, the text size differs. I would recommend at least going to Canva.com. It's a free build. Let me just show you here. I diverge so bad, so crazy. Canva.com. It's free. They have a very good tutorial, very great tutorial here on design learn. So they have design school, and it will go through all that. It will go through all that on how to, what looks good, and the theory that goes behind graphic design, creating stunning visuals. It's awesome. It's a very great platform for social media as well. I use it for a set of my clients' social media when I manage their social media. It's awesome. I've created several logos here for myself. It's awesome. So I'm going off of what they have actually taught me in the school. So there's two different sizes. It catches people's attention. Did you see when I was going through the themes? That's like the thing that registered for me. Well, I saw Discovery Guide. Okay, that's a good thing. Anyway, digressed a bit. Try to keep this under the 25 minute mark here. So let's go to who we are. I'm gonna do something different here. I'm not gonna do the same thing. Hit build. Let's go ahead and put an image here. I'm just gonna select some random image. Remember I was telling you about the park. There we go. I was just at the park. Alright, so that's us, who we are. It's saving it. I'm going to go ahead and put, I guess, description of that. A text box underneath that. I cannot spell today. Swimming. Wow, I really can't spell. Swimming with the jellies. Alright, let's go ahead and preview that. It's the mobile, and let me show you something here. So this is the mobile version on the desktop. So you can see it still has that text. So it's not the same thing that you're gonna get in the mobile. Mobile is really where you just build it yourself. It's more of you build it yourself because it doesn't come with this. You see, I'm on the same page as this desktop version, and I'm not getting that. I'm not getting the get in touch because it's not set. And of course, you can publish that right there. I'm not done with it yet. I still need to do the get in touch. Swim with the jellies. Let me finish that last page there. Get in touch. All right. Let's go ahead and put, what haven't I put? Slideshow, contact form. We're gonna need a contact form. We are going to need it. Okay, form name, contact us, email to, and I'm not gonna do all that. Spacing, I guess I could fiddle with the spacing a little bit. You see, the space above the entire form, so it's going down there. I'll leave it at 20. Put it at 20. Whatever you like, just play around with it. Okay, don't take life too serious. Life is serious business, but when it comes to things like this, when you're just trying it out, testing it out, have fun with it. Okay, I'm gonna align everything in the center there. And the button text, I'm going to say contact us, or contact. Let's just put that contact. All right. Double tap to edit. We don't need to edit that. I don't think the title, yeah, the form name. I'm not sure why I thought the form name would be on top of it for some reason. Anyway, let's see what we got here. Name, first, last, email, get in touch. Oh, that's it. Yeah. So the contact us name of the form didn't show up. So what I'm going to do is just add a title. So it's different from text. I'm just going to put it on top here. Okay. So that is the title. It's so much easier. You saw how I deleted that? I just clicked the form once and I clicked inside to get the other Lego piece. And it just said it had a selection for delete, as opposed to the builder where you had to hover over it and look at the X mark on the top right corner, hit X, and then confirm to delete. couple more steps right there in the desktop. I love the mobile app version. So that double tap to edit right there is actually the title. So I clicked on that. After I clicked on the form, I'm just going to put contact us for the title. Contact. I apologize if I'm not directly looking at y'all here. I'm just, like as I said, this is real time here. It's awesome. It's awesome. All right, let's preview it. Contact us. Here we are. Blog. No one's gonna know what that my site's about unless I put who we are, right? So let's. I guess I'm getting too much into it here. Let's publish that. That one was called Mobile Compare. I'm gonna call this one Mobile Compare. Mobile Dash Compare 1. So the first one was Mobile Dash Compare. And this one's Mobile Dash Compare 1, if it's available, which it should be. All right. All right. Perfect. So I can see it now. Takes me to Safari. I need to change that default there. I like Firefox. All right. So of course you get that footer at the bottom. It's still a free plan. If you want to take that off, you have to at least get the starter package. So let's go to who we are. It looks exactly the same as when I previewed it, but it's actually in the subdomain now. So if you'd like, I'll keep it up here for demonstration purposes. You can go in there and fill this out. If you fill this out, it's probably not going to go anywhere because I didn't set an email. So where it can go to. Anyway, let's go back to the Weebly. If you're on an iPhone, the way that I did that just right now, you see that? Double click on the home button. If you don't have an iPhone, is it 8? I think it's 8, or is it the iPhone X? One of those doesn't have the home button anymore. If that's the case, I do apologize for that. I didn't make the decision. All right, let's get back to it. All right, let's see. Weebly. There we go. Done. All right, done. And just to let you know, you can add more pages there at the bottom next to the build. There's pages. You can add more pages there. And you can reorder them as well next to the plus sign. Plus sign is to add the page. I'm fine the way it is. It's just demonstration purposes there. So of course the build has your Lego. And this is okay, so you select the form and you hit build and you actually get another set of Lego pieces specifically for the form. And why did that happen? The version of your site is out of sync with the server. Okay. Might be because I went to the site and I came back. As I mentioned in the previous videos here, when you're dealing with software, things happen. Okay, apps crash. That's just how it goes. Once they start doing it repetitively, then you can reach out. But that was just, I'm fine with that. I'm not gonna spend time calling them just for them to say, well, it's working now. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and add the post. Let me go back if you didn't catch that. Discard that draft. I was at the home page, at the bottom toolbar there. There's a store icon and the blog icon. On the blog icon, I can't guarantee this is going to be the same on the Android or even on a different iPhone for that matter, a smaller iPhone like an iPhone 5 or iPhone 4. This is the iPhone 6. It should look exactly the same iPhone 6 and up. Like I said, I can't guarantee the iPhone 5. So just find somewhere in your phone if you're using an Android or a later or older model iPhone for that icon there, the blog, the store, the home. I'm clicking blog. At the top right corner, there is a plus symbol to add a post. Okay, so there's a post title there. I can edit it. First post. And then, of course, I have to drag what I'm going to put in there. And as you can see, there's a button, embed code, a divider, a spacer. HD video you have to upgrade, remember? YouTube you don't have to, so you can upload the video to YouTube, embed it in your site. Much easier, much faster. and it's cost effective. File, if you have things you want people to download, like PDF file, things like that, a photo, something like that, you can. Products, categories, search box you have to upgrade, remember. Block quote, social icons, contact form, newsletter form, RSVP form. It's just a blog post. Add some text here. Hey blog. Alright. And then I'll add an image again. All day, every day. Yeah. Alright. Double tap to add a footer. Okay. Double tapping. Okay, options, publish immediately, so you can choose when you can publish it. If you want to do a scheduled time, choose the time and date. I'm publish immediately. I'll put require approval for comments. You can leave it as open, so as soon as somebody comments, it goes directly to the post. I like to approve them. Sometimes there's people with not the best intentions out there, and just out there to I don't know, spend all their boring time online. I don't know, but there's I guess you can call them trolls. That's what the word for them is. So I'm gonna approve my comments. This is a demo app, so really shouldn't be any need for people going over there. Okay, so we can add a category. Yeah, I'll add a category. I'll put my first category. Apologize for my not so much creativity here. Category, but this is for demonstration purposes. My first category. So this blog is gonna go to the my first category because it's checked off, and then advanced SEO, advanced SEO. Do the SEO. If anything, just do the SEO. You don't have to have a site up, just do the SEO. Have a site, please. So SEO post title, put my first shirt. All day, every day. That's not the best SEO there. If I was competing for, premium design T-shirts or something like that, I'd want to put it in the description and the SEO title. I'm not competing for anything. This is a tutorial. Okay. All right, I'm done. So now at the bottom right there, post. I'm going to post that. Your blog post is publishing. Of course, you can share. Share to Twitter, share with Facebook. They even show you a domain that's available. That's awesome. That's awesome. So .net is available. It's not recommended to have a dash in your URL and your domain name, because if somebody reads off, you can have I'm sure face-book.com is available. Maybe not, but if it is, if people are not going to go to face-book.com. If you tell them, oh, my site's face-book.com, they're going to put it in facebook.com, and Facebook is going to take your traffic, take your users. So, and they already have too many, so why would you do that? We're just having some fun here. So, yeah, so that's the actual post on the site. So I'm on the blog section, and as you can see, I have my post on the home page. So every time I post something new, and that's how it is usually, especially if you're familiar with WordPress, you will know this, that the blog post page, the one that has the feed of your post, it is set as the home page. You can change that there. You can add a new page and set that new page or whatever page you want, even the About Us page. You can set it to the home page, and that will be the home page. I'm going to leave it like this because this is a blog site. And that's pretty much it. I didn't go through each and every item for the drag and drop feature. And that was like what I mentioned earlier. If there's not a need for it, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to spend the time to do it. Time is precious, especially when it's taken for granted. So we went through the steps, showed you how to do this. You can do approve, pending, delete, comments. Let's go to the settings and do this real quick. You see the title of my site, my actual site for for my personal site management use. You can change that. So I'm going to put my first blog site. You can show the title on the site. You don't have to show the title on the site. I'll hide it. Let's hide it. All right. Go back to settings. Of course, you have the free plan. Click on it. It's going to take you to the performance plan. I think this is so much better than what we see online. Online, or on the desktop, we see all three or all four, 5 plans, including the free and the performance plan. This one is just one by one, and you just slide, and you can see. Of course, they don't offer the free plan because you're already on the free plan. So you can just go through that. You do save 18%. Well, you can save up to 40% on the yearly cost if you pay up front, of course. So if you're testing it out, if you want to test out the other features there, you just go to month to month. Maybe try 1-2 months. If you like it, if you're invested in it, then go for the year plan. But you don't even have to sign up. Just go for the free plan for now. If you need the other stuff, you can later. So there goes the SEO. Here we go. This is the advanced SEO. So I'm in the settings. So if you look at the icons here at the bottom, home, store, blog, settings, and I hit SEO underneath password protection. There's site description, meta keywords, footer code, header code. So if you want to have a footer and a header, you can. Well, that's not even for that. No, the header code. I want to say the analytics, the Google Analytics. You would have to put that in your header. I'm not gonna go through the Google Analytics right now. It's a different topic there. That'll be what it'll be useful for. That header code right there for the SEO. The meta keywords. Let's say I'm competing for best blog or something like that. Best blog. And then you separate it with a comma. I just put my first blog. That's horrible SEO keywords. It's gonna be done. And I'll save. All right. And then site description. This is the best site. The best blog site. So I'm not sure who's number one when people search. This is this is for DuckDuckGo. This is the best blog site. This is DuckDuckGo search. The search engine that doesn't track you. So the first thing that comes up, that's not an ad. 11 best free blog sites. So it's a blog talking about blogs. Alright. That explains that. And I think we're done here. So we can create the store. We're not going to have a store in this blog. Go back to the home page there. You can see, you'll be able to see the stats. So this already comes with it. You don't have to add a plugin. You don't have to ask a developer to help you with this. You don't have to do anything. It's already set there for you. So it has the tracking for you, the unique visitors, the page views. You'll be able to see, once you start getting blog comments, you'll be able to see it on the home page. And of course the site dashboard there. So just have fun with it. And just to show you the stats at work here, let me go ahead and, where is, yeah. Well, this is the first one that I created in the Weebly desktop version. So as you can see, and this is me, of course, 1 unique visitor and then 5 page views. So you can, with that being said, that 1 unique visitor, which was me, sadly, viewed it 5 times. Viewed it in this week. So you can hit the stats up there, and you actually see a graph. You hit store. There's no orders. No orders have been taken. Okay. I'm not selling the shirts that I have there. So it wasn't even my design. I wouldn't do that. All right. So top pages, search terms, upgrade for that, referring sites. Yep. You just do all that with starter. All right. This is your store. If you had a store, your orders, your products, your coupons. Okay. I think we're done here. Let me go back to the one that we had, our first blog site. and let's put it up online on the desktop. Mobile compare one.weebly.com. There it is. Ultimate Discovery Guide. First post. All day, every day. Author. Categories. All. Yep. Who we are. Swimming with the jellies. Get in touch. Contact us. And contact. Of course, you have to fill these out. I want to say you can't set which ones that are needed. If you don't want all of them to be required, you can set that as well. If you need help, there's the Weebly Help Center. Okay, if you're in the main page, Weebly.com, you'll get here at the top toolbar. There's a More button. That's the last one in the menu. More, you select More and you hit Help on the drop down menu. It'll take you there. It'll take you there. All right, so have fun with it. Have fun with it, guys. And let me just off that. Let me yeah. All right. So thank you for stopping by again, and I hope to see y'all soon. Best luck to your adventure.